Hey, so in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Instafill.ai MCP to ChatGPT so you can fill out PDF forms directly from your chat. Once connected, you'll be able to upload PDF forms into your selected workspace. You can browse or search forms in that workspace by form name or form ID. You can choose selected profiles. Of course, you can fill out the forms using free text input, using document sources or profiles as well, and fill them out automatically without leaving a conversation. An important part is that you need to have a paid ChatGPT account, whether it's Plus or Team or Enterprise account required. So, first, let's go to your ChatGPT settings. And here we should go to the Apps tab. Here to the Advanced settings, and we need to enable a developer mode. It's required to create apps. And once it's enabled, we are able to create an app. So let's do it. Here we can give our app a name. Let's give it a name, Instafill.ai. Optionally, we can add an icon. Let's do it as well. Some description. And of course, we need to add an MCP URL. So in our case, it should be mcp.instafill.ai/mcp. In the authentication tab, we should leave OAuth. No any advanced settings required, so we just skip this part. And we need to check this box. I understand and want to continue. That is simple, and just let's click create. Let's wait a couple of seconds while our MCP is created and connected to our ChatGPT account. Now it will ask you to log in your Instafill.ai account. You just need to log in, or if you don't have any Instafill account, just create one. And here you can choose your selected workspace. Just allow access, and that's it. Couple more seconds while it's connecting. Yes, here we go. A notification got as well. So let's just close it, and here in our chat we can choose our app, and as you can see, the app is activated. Note again, you can do that in only a developer mode. So once it's connected, you can ask any questions to Instafill.ai. So let's check it out and type something like so. Now ChatGPT goes to Instafill and pulls out all the list of forms I have in my account. Here we go. All works. So we'll also provide a detailed guide with the prompts and step-by-step instructions on how to connect it as well. So as you can see, the app is working, is connected, and